I'm going to spend the next 2 to 3 minutes walking you through the process of syncing your grades from Schoology to Skyward. The first step is to configure your gradebooks, and in order to do that, you would access first the Schoology SysConnect app that's down here on the left-hand side. Once you're here, you're literally just mapping the categories. So you go to the configuration, and then you select the formative to formative, summative to summative. If you've not yet created categories in Schoology, that's okay. From the drop-down menu, you can select Create New Schoology Category, and it will do that for you. Once your grading categories are configured, you have 2 places from which you can sync. The first is directly in your gradebook. This clipboard right here opens up a sync status log. From here, you have the option of clicking Sync Changes. I would avoid this. This would sync every single assignment, and that's not where we are yet. But if you choose this little recycle circle guy, it will queue the individual assignment, and it will run that sync. Once it's finished, it can take anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds. It will say successful. And at that time, you'll be able to see it appear in your grade sheet. So for example, Miss Moss has synced day to April 7th. I can come here, and you would be able to see it in the PR4. A few things to note. The first is that all assignments need to have a due date and a clear naming protocol. Duplicate assignment names will not sync. And then also, if you do not have a due date, see this one is due April 9th. If a due date is not assigned in Schoology, Skyward will automatically default it to the final day of the grading cycle. And we want to make sure that we have consistency and communication with between teachers and students about when things are due. So 2 things, making sure that you have the due date and that you are following clear naming protocols. If you need to review those can be found in the Schoology playbook. Any changes that you make to an assignment in Schoology will sync. So if you change the due date, it'll sync. If you change a student's grade, that will sync. If you add a comment to a grade, that will also sync. The only change that you want to avoid is changing the grading category. If you come into an assignment and you change this right here, it will sever the connection between Schoology and Skyward. So don't change the category. You can change the date, update students' grades, add comments to students' works. All of those things will sync over. You'll see comments here. So this is a great example for missings. In Schoology, you want to enter a 50, and then you want to add the missing comment. That will trail from Schoology to Skyward, and then your Skyward gradebook will stay up to date with all of the relevant information that students and parents need. And that is it. We will have office hours this Friday, so if anybody has any questions or anything like that, you can shoot them to me in a direct email, or you can stop by office hours on Friday.